Hi, it's me, Michael, with a weekly progress update, paired with a terrifying screen full of sort of terminal spew. Right, what have I been doing this week? I feel... Can you hear those sirens? This studio is not soundproofed. I feel like I didn't work that hard, but it does say 37 hours of actual work time and only 25 minutes of procrastination. I did sort of take some time off yesterday afternoon a bit, but I guess I've just been like tinkering nevertheless. So 5 hours on changes, 6 hours on DoneGood, 4 hours on the podcast, 9 hours on changes Android, and some other bits and pieces. So let's have a look at changes. This is going to be good. So the new the Changes app, I've been working on this new feature where, so let me just mirror my screen so I can show you what we're looking at. If we, change, how do I unfull screen that? Can I have my window? Where's my window? Should I just, is it, let's try this again. Air video is weirdly full screening stuff for no reason, and then not letting me drag it. Okay, here it is. Sorry, shouting. So I've been having a bit of a weird time, but what I have been doing is working on this idea that now, have I not run this on the device recently? Let me get the simulator up. Should I start again? No, I'm not going to start again. Keep ploughing through. In fact, the simulator is running. So what we've been doing is, let me just see what this image looks like. Right, we're here. So what I've been doing is adding the ability to say something is making me, like to add basically custom scores into different things. Music is yes, no. So we can have mood rating, but we can also just like type in a number and say 5.5. And this is obviously all very much work in progress at the moment. But the idea is like you can manage this list. So instead of like it trying to be clever about what tags it gives you, it's going to just let you manage this list and like remove things and customize. So if I've got something like, let's say taken, I feel taken for granted, let's say. So we could add that in as a tag. Add that in as a tag, and then say, okay, this is it could be a yes or no thing, and it's a bad thing. Or we could say, like, I want to rate it, and I want to say what my score system is. And then it's just going to give me a slider, and when we see that here, taken for granted, obviously won't work because this is a demo. But yeah, like just the idea that I could let people sort of record anything they want in this app. I mean, and the advantage of it being called Changes is that it doesn't just have to be happiness anymore, does it? It can be anything you can think of. So this can just be like, I'm keeping score of the things I care about. So that is my vision for the next version of Changes. And that is the main thing I've been working on. That was a little walk through the woods in Queen's Park. What's next? DoneGood. I finally pulled my finger out. Well, I like this was something that I was really struggling to get around to. But what DoneGood now has is a landing page with copy on it that explains what it is. And if you want, you can go and sign up right now to my task tracking app, which shows you one task at a time. This is the thing that I'm using for all this reporting as well. It's going to be a closed beta to start with because it's not quite finished yet. But if you want to register, there is a nice big register now button if you're not signed in. And you can also read about what it is. So that's DoneGood.app. And it's all about taming your admin, keeping on top of your side projects, looking through what you've been doing. It's got some nice features. It's mobile, it's powerful, and you can sign up now. And that is working. So, we're already logged in. That's what I'm doing right now. And after this, I will do this other thing. And here are my targets for the day. So this is now, you can get it. Well, you can sign up for it. So if you're interested, jump in. Some more footage. I just did the one video. Right, guess what? Changes. Android is sort of looking like something. I've sort of been. This is mirroring my Fairphone. So you can see the scrolling is nice. It loads nice and quick. We can edit posts. It's got the. It's got all this stuff. I always forget that you can press that. We've got privacy, mark as sensitive. This is looking nice. And oops, I do not know how to use Android. And this screen. So it's got fake data in it, but what it has got is scrolling. So it's the same behavior as iOS. I even managed to get that little animation working. Oh, look, we're scrolling through our changes. To be honest, it was probably quite a lot easier to do than it was. I'm using React Native, so. But yeah, so we've got this screen. We've got this screen. We can add a change. This form needs doing. We can edit a change that already exists, maybe. Oh yeah, if you do it here. So that's editing. And we are... I basically made my first Android package yesterday to see what's involved in uploading an alpha version. So if you're interested in Android testing for changes, probably just drop me an email, michael@goodtohear, or join the mailing list and then reply to the email that sends you. If you join the mailing list, I'll keep you posted on when it actually comes out. Obviously, if you're looking at these videos, you're probably finding out detail that's on the mailing list as well. So yeah, that is good progress. And let's see the final clip. Sorry if that was a bit long. I just was walking along in the park with my phone like that, and it just seemed to keep going. Podcast this week, basically changes. That video did pretty well last week, although it has resulted in a monumental 6 sales, $25. I'm gonna be rich. No, but I've seen a lot of interest in the app, but I had a weird reaction to it, and actually the podcast I recorded last week we've kind of talked about that. I may have mentioned this on the last thing. So that's where we're up to. I am considering having most of August off. Let me know what you think about that idea in the comments below, because I like the next logical thing. I need to get the changes. I need to get DoneGood released. I need to get changes Android out. Hopefully this new screen to changes. But I need to start like switching up some more marketing across all the stuff I'm making. I've been like trying to figure out like I went too close. Trying to figure out like some new marketing ideas, talking to people. People have been offering money to help. So lots to think about, but I'm feeling a bit exhausted, to be honest, getting that video out, getting that new feature out. So I may be back next week, but if I'm not, you'll know I'm giving myself a break. So with that, see you next time. Please send love, send messages, send me stuff so I know that you're watching. And meanwhile, goodbye. Have a good weekend.